Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the BLACK+DECKER portable AC unit. This was such a great purchase for us because in the room where we wanted an AC, the window is pretty small, so we couldn't find an AC that would fit the window. And this one does the trick. It's very easy to install. You just have to attach the hose to the window adapter. And it's very convenient because you can easily move the AC around. You can move it from room to room. I really like that it has so many different functions that you can choose from. You can use the cooling function, the fan, or even the dehumidifying option. I really like that it's a very quiet AC, but at the same time, it's very powerful. I think this is such a great AC, and that is my point of view.